How to apply national ID online. Guide to the Philippine ID registration. What is PhilSys? The Philippine Identification System is the national government's identification platform for all Filipino citizens and resident aliens under Republic Act 11055. 3 steps to follow. Register your demographic information in PSA's online portal, register.philsys.gov.ph. Read the instructions and click the Proceed button to go to the next step. Enter your mobile number and then solve the CAPTCHA. Click Send OTP to proceed. A one-time password will be sent to your provided mobile number. If you have not received the OTP after 5 minutes, click Resend. Enter the OTP and then click Verify. After filling out your information, click Next at the bottom of the form. To change something, click Modify or Back button. If everything is correct, check the box for I have duly reviewed the entries in this preview page and click Save and Exit. If you want to register another person such as your minor child, click Yes. Otherwise, click No Finish. Congratulations! You have successfully submitted your application for the Philippine National ID. You will receive a text message or email confirming your submitted application. Step 2. Biometric information including fingerprint, iris scan, and photograph will be taken in the registration center during your appointment. The supporting documents will also be validated on-site. Step 3. Issuance of the PhilSys number and Philippine ID. Your PSN and PhilID will be delivered to your address by PhilPost. As to the cost, the ID is free. However, the replacement of the Philippine ID due to damage or loss will be charged. As to validity, Philippine IDs issued to Filipino citizens do not expire, while resident aliens get them for 1 year only. This is also non-transferable. Is it a replacement for other government IDs? No. The Philippine ID isn't meant to replace other IDs that have their own uses. The Philippine government will conduct mass registration of OFWs for the national ID.